Hello YouTube land. Continuing working on this 2001 Yamaha 350 that I've owned since about 2007. We're looking at the front sprocket for what the book calls it a drive sprocket. So the book that I have been referring to or using is the Clamier book on this. So unbeknownst to me, I always call it the front sprocket, back sprocket. Well, they call it a drive sprocket in the front and a driven sprocket in the rear. So nowhere in the manual does it tell you how to take off the sprocket, because I think probably it's because it's pretty easy. This is the cover that was on it. 3 bolts go in. They're 8mm. Now, you have one nut here. You have one of these washers that bend over it. I've already bent it back. Now this nut fits perfectly on a 1 1/4, or if you happen to have sockets that are large, fits on a 32mm socket. So I'm going to try my wrench first because I do have more leverage, but oh, not going to work. Maybe let's try this. Okay, cool. Well, man, that's not on there very tight at all. I mean, it's not finger tight, but it's not on there very snug. So the reason why I'm even doing this is because when I was driving it last couple times, when I give it throttle, it would just, the chain would spin over this front sprocket. As you can see, man, that sprocket's pretty worn. Sunstar. Let's see what Sunstar looks like in comparison. So, comparing the two. Whew. Wow. That's a huge difference in the height of those teeth. Man, no wonder why my chain kept jumping over the teeth. So Sunstar's got these 3 here, which I have no idea what those are for, whereas the original Yamaha sprocket has all of those. So let me see, how bad is that? That's not bad. Here goes the test. Does it fit? It fits. Well, there we go. So that washer fits specifically over those holes. And this nut, it's a little funny on the inside. It's open. I don't really know why that is. But now I'm going to clean it out a little bit. Not the perfect tool for that, but it works. And then we just put it back on. I already had this crescent wrench adjusted for this because I didn't know if I was going to be able to find a wrench or a socket large enough. So it wasn't real hard, you know, on there. So I'm not going to put it real tight coming off. In fact, I'm going to loosen off just a bit. I think that's it. There's no specification that I could find in that manual as far as torque. So I'm really just trying to, you know, get it kind of like where it was beforehand, which is just tight, but not overly tight. Well, and that's how you change the front drive sprocket. Hope you like that. That was pretty simple. I guess that's why it doesn't cover in the book. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, please. Thanks. Have a great day.